lovely, lovely wishes. It's Holly. Welcome to Dandelion Stitches. Welcome, welcome. Hugs, hugs. It's been too long. Last week was just a bunch of yuck. So this week I'm hoping we're back on schedule. We're gonna make it happen. This week is going to be all box openings, I think, because everything showed up at once again. And that works out really well for me because we're to the point in the new sewing room where things are going to start moving from here to there. So that's pretty exciting. My comfy, cozy chair is out there now so I can sit and, you kind of got to be in a space. You sort of have to like make friends with it, sit with it for a little bit to really get okay, yeah, that's gonna go there and that's gonna work. I'm gonna have a lot less wall space for like decorative things, but I will have a really amazing design wall, and that was something I was really missing. So, it's a give and take. So today we are going to open the hottest new thing on the market, and that is the Fort Worth Fabric Studio box. This is a new box for them, new box for me. We are not judging it. I don't even know what's in it, but we're not going to judge it. But I know other people have already opened theirs online, but I've been careful not to look. So why don't we switch to the other camera and we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, one piece of quick news. I did do one block last week from the Quilt Builder card deck. I'm aware that there are 3 of these now, and I have 2, and I will be getting the 3rd one because this is fun stuff. So if you're not familiar, I'm going through making the blocks, and I'm using all Marcia Durst fabrics, and this one is Constellation. And this is the first one that I've done that I liked, that was all solids. I've been using her more exotic, shall we say, fabrics as starting places, and then picking my colors off of that. But this one I just chose colors. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm learning so much. Each new one has a little something that, either I haven't done before or that I have to be a little bit more careful of. This one had a lot of points, and there's some problems. But perfection is not what we're going for. So here we have Fort Worth Studio box. We've got our good old Death Cloud, and let's get her open. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? I understand it is still very warm in the southern states. It's in the 50s, 60s here. We've had rain for a lot of days, but today it is really beautiful. But okay, underneath subscription box. That's kind of way up in your business, isn't it? Let's get back up here. Okay. So now sleep later. Wow, that is one of the things of my new sewing room, that it will be far enough away from the bedroom that I can sew at night and not bother him. So yay. Okay, sends the invoice. I really love this when they do this. Makes my life so much easier. It looks like I've got a code here for priority processing. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out. Oh, this is what's in the box. Glitter binding spool, a glam bag, season's greeters table. Okay, well, let's go through. Glitter binding spool. Glitter. Oh, my girlfriend. Look at the glitter on this one. I used to kind of go over these, but I have started using them, and I really do like them when I bind. I have to admit I like the bigger ones better, but this is, can you really? Woohoo. This is a sparkly. Okay, so, there's also sprinkles. All right, let's move the box over here and just get more serious here. The next one is Glam Bag. This would look like a glam bag to me. Oh, it's like, it's Christmas. So the binding spool was $9.96. This is $8.96. Look at all the 96s. I wonder what's up with that. This is a very nice pouch. It's vinyl on the outside. Oh, it's got one of those thingamajigers. This is cute. This is cute. If you had made someone something, because it says stitched with love, and there's no, except for construction, there's no stitching here. These are all like printed on. But it would be cute to put a gift inside and, you know, like coasters or something. It's cute. I like it. Okay, Season's Greetings Table Runner Kit. If anyone wants to know, those squiggle things are not my friend. Let's see here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm way too far over, aren't I? Sorry. That's cute. I like it. I love this. This is really cute fabric, and that's good holly. Somebody asked me what makes good holly. I don't know. It's just if I like it or not, I guess. But I do like these angels and the doves, and that's cute. I don't know what this fabric is or where it comes from. Let's see. The pattern looks like a Villa Rosa. Yes, it is. Excuse me. I'm really sorry, you guys. That's got to be super annoying, but it is what it is for right now. Oh, pine cones on little sprigs of pine. I think these are cut to the pattern's needs. I can't really identify exactly what they are. They may be, I think they're fat quarters, but anyway. This looks like some stars in a post-apocalyptic sky. That green is not. It's a good green. I like the green, but stars in the green sky does not bode well for the planet. Okay, this is cute. I like this. Cute little holiday kind of stripy plaid. Poinsettias or setias, depending on how you say it, wherever you are. I like it. Oh, that's good holly too. And more radiated objects, pine cones. I joke, because I really do like them, and I think that this is gonna be really cute, and I intend to make it, but it just cracks me up when the colors are so, when it's like a nature line and the colors are so kind of funky. It just makes me chuckle. Okay, Yuletide Mix Moda Grunge bundle. So the Season's Greetings Table Runner, $22.96. The Moda Grunge is $36.96. And then we got a coupon. Okay, this is big. This is, wow. Okay, I got to get all the stuff off of it. It's just a big mess there. Okay, hello grunge. Have I mentioned like how much I like you, grunge? You're kind of awesome. This is the Yuletide Fat Quarter Bundle Mix. Well, cool beans. Let's see what grunge considers Yuletide. Stay. Okay. So we have this almost like army-ish green. Get it down here so you can see it. And it's got browns and almost like turquoises in really subtle in the background. This red is one very, very, very baby step from pink, from fuchsia. It is gloriously red. Holy cow. Again, browns, some kind of taupes in there. I mean, grunge always looks like they threw it down on the ground of the garage and then drove over it a few times. That's just their thing. But and I happen to really like it. So purple, kind like Merlot-y, burgundy, with splotches of kind of pink, and this is that sort of almost, well, it's a blue, some sort of blue. This green is, I don't think the same as the first one. No, it's a slightly different green. Less background stuff going on. I like it. This is, I believe this is the one they call F1, which I always get a big charge out of because we follow F1 racing. And I wonder why red, if they're doing F1. Maybe they're Ferrari fans or something, which is a good thing. Okay, this is kind of a, it's kind of the mix between gold and yellow. It is neither, but it is both. And it's got some blues and some browns. I don't hate it. Wouldn't be the first thing I grabbed, but I don't hate it. I'm just taking my gay old time here, aren't I? Well, you guys know how to hit the fast forward. And more green. This one has dark green in the background, and I like this whole holiday bundle thing. Now I feel like this could be, nope, I felt incorrect. It's a burgundy. A little gray in there, a little pink. This is like definite mustard gold. I also love how their selvages are the same color as the fabrics, because if you're gonna do something fun with selvages, having a colored one thrown in there really makes it pop. I like it. And the last one is another green. It's random stuff there. Okay, love this green. Love the intensity of the green. I love that it's got a little black, a little more green, I love this green. This is amazing. And that is that. I will see you at the other camera. Good job, Fort Worth. I'm impressed. Sometimes that first box is a little now you've raised the bar, so the next one is we'll be looking forward to it. As I thought it was pretty good, and I intend to make that that table runner. So I just wanted to say a few quick words about my Friday night experience at the Taylor Swift concert movie with my granddaughter and my daughter. If you have someone in your life, a young, doesn't even have to be young, honest to gosh, the crowd was everything from, there was a little couple that had to be in their 80s, like 2 seats in front of me. A bunch of kids, trading bracelets, which was super fun. Luckily, my granddaughter's a really brave little toaster, and because it was just her, most of them the kids were all traveling in packs, and she was by herself, but she just got up there and made friends. And at some point during the early parts of the movie, a whole bunch of kids, not even just kids, like a whole bunch of people just went down to the front of the theater and just started dancing and singing. And I'm going to put in a little clip here. I hope that YouTube doesn't get me for it, but it'll be short, just so you can kind of see the energy of the room. Those kids stood down there, people, they were not just kids, they were at every age, stood down there and sang and danced and bounced, and it was an excellent concert. It was very long. It was very long for an old woman. But if you've got somebody you're thinking about, gee, maybe they would enjoy going to see this, take them. It'll be an incredible memory. We just had a ball. It was just, if for no other reason that it is just so much fun to watch the people and listen to everyone sing. I mean, it was like being in a theater of a choir. Everyone was singing. I really had a good time. I really, now if I had gone just by myself, I'm not sure. But going with Cam so I could experience it with her, God, so much fun. Really a good time. So, my review is take your loved one. You'll have a ball. So, I think that's it for today. I hope everybody is good, that you had a great weekend, and be well, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.